Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have OPPO A79 and I want to show you how to set mobile data limits on this device. In the first step, to manage your data limit, we must open settings. In it, mobile network and their data usage. There we pick data usage limit. And there we have some option to manage your data limit. First option, we can choose the day of each month when we start data usage limit, probably first day of each month. There we have daily data usage limit, and when we turn on it, we must pick up number of in megabytes or gigabytes, what you really want, maybe 5 gigabytes per day. And there we have when data limit reached. Send alert only or send alert and turn off mobile data. After that we click this icon to save it, and monthly data usage. There we enter a number too, maybe 100, and we can change it to gigabytes. And there we have the same option, send alert only or send alert and turn off mobile data limit. We can set a turn on data warming when we get warming after how many gigabytes or megabytes we use. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.